Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert. Amneal Pharmaceuticals is conducting walk-in interview on 4th August Sunday 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. The interview location is also mentioned here, Sej Matoda, Ahmedabad. So they are hiring operators female. Total experience 1 to 5 years, ITA, BSc or diploma. The area is bottle, sachet or powder filling, packing. Machine exposure, bottle packing line, track and trace. CVC and contact dry powder packaging line and sachet pack machine mess pack, and they are also looking for officers to executives, and the total experience is minimum 2 years, maximum 6 years, and qualification b.pharma, area granulation, coating, compression, bottle, sachet or powder filling, packing, machine exposure, RMG, FBE, fette, auto coaters, bottle packing line with track and trace systems, dry powder packaging line, sachet pack machine. So the job location is Sej Matoda and Rajoda plant. So this is from Amneal Pharmaceuticals. So these are the details. Thank you for watching.